Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install DeepSeek AI on your Windows computer using a very simple workaround. DeepSeek is officially made for Android and iOS, but there is no direct window app. But don't worry, I will walk you through two methods to run DeepSeek on your PC step by step, even if you are a beginner. Now, let's get started. So, what is DeepSeek? We all know DeepSeek is an AI model, kind of like a chat GPT, that can answer your question using library of knowledge. It is great for research, learning, or just having an intelligent assistant on your desktop. Now, there are two ways. One is very simple. You can just create a browser shortcut. The second one is a full installing using LM Studio. We will focus more on this one. Now, to create shortcut, what you have to do, just simply let's talk about method one. Go to DeepSeek website using Chrome and then just log in with your credential, and after logging in you have to click on these three dots and then go to cast, save and share. In this you will get to see this install page as an app. Just simply click it and it will install as a page. As you can see here, this will create a shortcut on your desktop that opens DeepSeek like an app, but it is not still using Chrome in the background. So technically it is not full app, just a shortcut. Now, if you want a real desktop experience, what you have to do, go back to your browser and let's install LM Studio. Now, first step is to go to LM Studio website. Just simply create a new tab and type LM Studio. Now, click on the first link. Now, download the window version and install it like any normal software. Just simply click on the download button. LM Studio is a platform that lets you to run AI models on your computer offline and safely. And it is optional. You can also download another tool called AMA if you want extra features, but LM Studio is enough for now. Once it is installed, just open LM Studio. What I will do, I have already installed this, so I will go into my downloads and search for LM Studio. So I think this one, and click on that application, and it will ask you to choose an installation option. Who should this application be installed for? Only for me. Just simply click on the install and then select your path and hit the install button. It will start installing. As you can see here, just give a few seconds to install. We have successfully installed LM Studio in our computer. Just simply click on the finish and it will open our LM Studio. Going to start, I think it will, by default it will open it. As we can see here, the LM Studio is opening. After the installation, the interface will look like this one. Now go to the left hand side and click on the mission control. This is a discover. Just simply click on that and this is a mission control. Now in the search bar type DeepSeek R1. You will see several options like DeepSeek. Okay, as you can see here, we searched DeepSeek and there we go, we have these DeepSeek R1. So DeepSeek R1 you will get, and DeepSeek R1 distill, and another coin. This is a coin model. It is reasoning model from the coin family. Now what does R1 mean? It is the name of the DeepSeek's knowledge engine. It's like a massive library of data, and distill means it is a smaller, faster version of the full model. It keeps only the most important knowledge so that it runs faster on your PC. Now just simply click on this distill coin. It will need, just simply click on the download. It is up to 5 GB and click on the download. So it will download. Now wait for the model to finish downloading. As you can see here in the left side, you will get downloads, which is DeepSeek R1 Best 12 Coin 3B. and it will take around 28 minutes. And yeah, it's still fast, but wait. Now you can ask, after the download, you can ask anything. Try typing a question like, can you teach something this? Can you solve this one? It will think, analyze, and response just like ChatGPT, but it is running on locally. Now, here is the cool part. You can just simply turn off your Wi-Fi and you can run this model into LM Studio without any internet. You will see it still works because everything runs offline right on your computer. No internet required, no privacy issues, no cloud tracking. It is your private AI right on your desktop. So this is the advantage of downloading DeepSeek in your PC. And if you want tutorial how you can download Llama in your PC, you can just comment on me on the comment on this video. I will create a tutorial for that too. Now, what are these models? To be honest, if you go for Llama and Quinn are model types like a different brain, and 8b 7b means how big their brain are. B represent billions parameters, and the bigger number more power but needs more memory. So make sure you have a good PC while downloading it, and you have good RAM. So yeah, then that's it. This is how you can install DeepSeek on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe and comment what other AI tools you want tutorial for. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your offline AI assistant.